Hello, so welcome to Sprint 3 and 4's YouTube video. So first, we demoing the features I've been working on. So let me log into our app. This is our login screen, as you can see. So let me log into the app. Alright, now let me. So this is the screen that I'm working on. The grocery list screen. Still a work in progress, but right now if I click the add button, it should pop up at the top. Grocery list, name grocery list. If I input anything, right now it doesn't populate. That's still a work in progress and should be done soon. So that's still coming along. We do have the side menu right here. As you see, Jeffrey Bryant, which is me that's logged in, which is good. And other features right here. This is other features that the rest of the group worked on, but this is pretty much the area that I'm working on right now. And after I get done with this grocery list screen, I'll be moving on to the individual items on the grocery list. So let me show you the code that will be showing on this grocery list. So to design this grocery list screen, I'm using native base. So native base is the design. Instead of React Native Elements, we're using native base. And my grocery list component, I use the dialog visible to determine to see when the plus sign is pressed to show the dialog box or not. And then I actually have a couple reducers, or just one reducer, that I'm using to populate the array of my grocery list reducer. Which right here, when I do an add list, it should populate my grocery and return, well, this will append the new text onto it. I have my index, which combines the grocery reducers together, and my action is up top. Let's see up here. If I can get to the action. Grocery action. So type add list payload input name. So this is dispatching my add list. So when this is called in my grocery list screen, grocery list screen up here, I'm passing in the input parameter for the dialog box, passing it to my action, and then passing it back. So right now in GitHub, we are right here at Munch Hunt, pretty much up to date with where we're at. A couple components that we added. I'm gonna look at source. The side menu was implemented this sprint. I believe Aaron worked on that one. We have routes, determine where to go from the side menu. A couple reducers that I added, the actions that I added. Let's see some other screens. Grocery list screen, profile screen. Still a work in progress, but I was also added this print, and then we're gonna be working on the product info next, which will determine the calorie count and the description of the individual grocery items. So coming up in the next sprint, let's see what's coming up here. Group for Munch Hunt. Alright, so sprint 3 is our grocery list. So pretty much going to finish up setting up the functionality to implement the create, delete, and add features for the grocery list. I believe Aaron's working on creating the design of the product screen. And I believe we got the main menu and icons done. Tab bar and preferences section. I believe preference section is almost done. Tab bar should be complete. So moving forward, we have sprint 4. We're going to just pretty much focus on the maps. So it's create screen to display the maps. Implement that feature from the location of the score. and then create a screen that displays the different prices of the stores. And first of all, in order for that to work, we have to have the Google Maps API. So that's the breakdown of what's going on. Thank you for listening.